I swear to God, my head is killing me right now. I literally have the worst headache ever. Woke up around 6 with my head killing me and I took a painkiller then. It's around noon now. I'm not sure whether I should take another one or just deal with it, but make it go away. Welcome to this vlog. I haven't picked up the camera in a little while. I do need to film a cover today and I am also more productive whenever I vlog, weirdly enough. And so I thought I'll bring you guys along and give you also a brief update. I literally got back to Liverpool yesterday. Haven't really vlogged while we were in there at all. It was literally like in and out. We went there for Amos' birthday, which is my boyfriend's best friend, and I mean, I feel like the last couple of days have been a blur and this headache is definitely killing me, but I'm gonna make a little hot beverage. As always, you guys know already. I got some gorgeous pink lady the other day when I went grocery shopping, but I think I'm gonna use this old apple for now just because I want to get rid of it. Then I got a little lemon and I'm also gonna grab some ginger. I mean, you see me doing this a lot of times. So I just finished to chop the apples, the lemon and the ginger, and I added it into this little pot with a cinnamon stick. Now I'm gonna add some water, some honey, and just let it boil. Oh my god, I completely forgot I had that. Not gonna lie, these made me very excited. I completely forgot I had it, but I am 100% gonna enjoy it now. Then I'm gonna head to my room, do my makeup. I already started to go ready, do my hair, and I put on some clothes. I'm literally wearing my boyfriend hoodie, but who cares? They used to have a proper thing that you would like tear apart and you would open perfectly, but apparently now they got rid of it, which I think is dumb, but it is what it is. I love it. Pretty sure they're an Italian candy bar sort of thing, but you can find them in Lidl. They're called Kinder Pinguine and they're so good. I wouldn't normally show my master room on camera, but this is the current state of the bed, so I need to make that and then I'm gonna do a quick tidy up. I've also got some bits the other day that I need to show you guys, so we're probably gonna do a little Primark haul in a bit. Okay, let's fix this mess. Okay, so the bed is looking great. Smells pretty fresh too. I got this little pillow spray in my SUPERGRUG % Goodie bag and it's so good. Also found a letter that was missing from a little collage right here, so now it finally spells I know places again. I'm gonna quickly do a pickup of the desk as well. Each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you're like. Okay, once again, it's not perfect, but it definitely looks so much better. Also, I'm gonna show you guys a little hack that I feel like not a lot of people know about. You can clean the black stain out of your candle with like paper towel, or even like toilet paper, I guess. You don't even have to like put pressure on it. It literally comes off so easily. There we go, so much better. You can totally see my little plant in the background, but it's way too cute, so fair enough. So I don't think I'm gonna do anything crazy. I'm gonna do a wing liner if I'm able to, because I haven't done one in a while. And then I'm gonna add some mascara and some red lipstick and just call it a day. What I always do after I finish applying my lipstick is I take a tissue and I literally take the excess out. So I'm gonna do this. I'll do that. This way it mattifies quicker and it's not staking. And this is the final look. It's quite basic, but I like it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the bits I got from Primark. I took everything out of the bag so that it's easier to show you guys. I'm gonna start off with the most exciting part, which is hidden right here. I had to wrap this to make sure it won't break. So I got a little salt lamp and it was on the sale section. I got this for only £5 and I can't wait to unwrap it and put it in my little nightstand over there. Next up, pretty basic, I got some fishnets. Those were £4. To go along with it, I also got some socks and these were £2.50. I wanted to get some more tights, so I wanted to get the clear one and also the black one, but I couldn't find the ones that I was looking for, so I might go to Primark later on today and see if the one next to my house has them. Next up, I got a cute little bow for £2.50. I'm most likely gonna wear this for my birthday as well. I don't think I mentioned this yet, but I'll be traveling for my birthday, so you guys will have a Genoa / birthday vlog combined, I guess. Yeah, I'm very excited for that. I got this little vanilla room spray for £3.50 and let me tell ya, this thing smells great. So a couple more bits I got are these square matte fake nails. These were £1.30 and they're in this beautiful light blue shade. Then I got this pack of tweezers for £1. I really like the really thin one. Next up, I got these two guys in Liverpool, but I never showed them in the vlog. Okay, I got two more things to show you guys. You probably won't be surprised about the first one. I got a little candle. I'm obsessed with this color and it also smells great. And then to finish off the haul, I also got a pair of shorts. I know this is definitely not my color whatsoever, but I really liked the fit of it and they'll be perfect to lounge around the house. So yeah, super cute. I got a couple more things to show you guys, although these are not from Primark. So I went to Boots and I got some Grey Lash mascara. This one is great for your lower lashes. Then I got the Colossal Go Extreme from Maybelline as well for my upper lashes. And then I got another eyeliner. This is the Hyper Precise All Day Matte. I usually get the regular one, but I've seen they had a matte shade as well, so I wanted to try that out. They had a 3 for 2 on all makeup, so I ended up paying only for 2 of these and also paid with my Boots points, so I literally got this guy for free pretty much, and they're gonna come with me to Genoa, so I'm super excited for that. I got one more thing to show you guys and then we'll wrap up this haul. Me and my boyfriend went to the Hard Rock Cafe to have dinner the other day and I ordered a large version of a cocktail, and so we were able to get a glass to take home from the shop, and I chose this one. I think it's super cute, but let me show you guys. I mean, how cute is that? It's a little mason jar, but it says Hard Rock Cafe Piccadilly Circus, and I think it's adorable to have like my coffees in the summer, you know, my smoothies, all of that stuff. I'm literally obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. And that was everything in this little haul. I think I'm gonna put my salt lamp together and then we're gonna have a little break. I'm gonna enjoy my little apple infused thingy that I made, and then I'm probably gonna have a couple biscuits. And my bed is full of salt now. Great. Okay, so she's there for the time being. I think it looks very good. I'm definitely curious to see it at night. I'm not a fan of the cable situation, but that will do for now. Cute. I like it. Also, I forgot to show you guys this little book. I got it from Urban when I was in Liverpool and I think it's super cute. It says classy, sassy and a bit berassy, and I love the fact that it's pink as well. I think this one is ready. It smells so good. I feel like I always do this. I fill it to the top by accident. I woke up quite late to have a proper lunch and already had breakfast, so this is gonna be a good pick-me-up. These little guys are called cantucci. They're Italians. My boyfriend is obsessed with them. So I think my tea is still quite hot, so I'm gonna do a taste test of the cantucci first. Okay, hear me out. I'm pretty sure the original version is made with almonds, and not gonna lie, I like the almonds one better. But if you do like chocolate and chocolate chips cookie, I would say these are pretty good. I probably will give them a 7. I'm not a fan of chocolate usually, but I can definitely eat them. I feel like I'm gonna regret this because it's super hot, but I really wanna try it. Okay, wow, you can taste the ginger, 100%. Let me add some honey and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I made this so much better with a lot of honey, and then also got a little teaspoon so that I can eat the fruit. It's still super strong because I definitely went heavy on the ginger, but it's pretty good. So, cheers. So I just finished to film my little cover, and now I think I'm gonna go to Broadway Market because I need to collect a parcel from my old workplace. It feels so weird saying that. Got something from SUPERGRUG the other day and I delivered it there because, you know, there's always someone in the shop compared to my house, and so we're gonna go collect that, and then I think I'm gonna go to Primark as well. I can't be bothered to bring a proper bag, so I think I'm gonna go with this little tote bag. It should be big enough to fit my parcel, so oh my god, that was such perfect timing. It started to rain when I was 3 minutes away from my house. I've been in and out to my old workplace super fast. I grabbed my parcel and I pretty much left. I kid you not, I don't know anyone there anymore, and that makes me so sad. And then after that I had a little browse at TK Maxx, but I didn't really have much. And then I went to Primark, tried a dress on, but I didn't really like it. And then after that I finally went to Marks and Spencer. And you guys, I'm really about to spend £3.70 on strawberries. I end up buying this fucking expensive strawberries. They better taste amazing, but I've never seen something like this, so I had to try it. I also got a little scone to go with that, so I'm gonna have a snack in a second. But let me get things out of this bag first. I got some bagels as well because I ran out. Then, like I mentioned, from Primark I got these two. I wanted to get a 15 denier also in the black ones, but I couldn't find it, so at the end of the day I was like, you know what, it's fine, whatever. And then I got one more pair of flip-flops so that I can finally get rid of my old ones. I'm probably gonna bring this to Genoa with me, and then once I come back from a trip I'll replace these with my old ones. This is the parcel that I collect from Broadway Market. I'm not sure why it's this big because I literally only ordered 3 things, but let's crack this open. Okay, so I got a little heat defense from Theresa May. I had one of these in the past and I really loved it, and recently I finished it. Really hoping I didn't throw the bottle away though, because I don't really like this applicator. I'd much rather have my old one. And then they had a 2 for $10 on John Frieda, and I needed to stock up on my Secret Agent touch-up cream. I'm truly obsessed with it. I feel like this is my 4th bottle by now. They're so good, so you guys definitely need to try them out. And then to get a little deal, I also got these Overnight Miracle Repair and Renew, which is a hair lotion. I'm actually quite intrigued in trying this out. Okay, let me try the strawberries and then we'll start editing my video. This is how it looks like. I've just washed it and now I'm about to try it. Tell you what though, for £3.70, these better taste amazing. Let's see. I feel like I just got scammed. They taste good, but it just tastes like a normal strawberry. Oh well, I wanted to try them, so that's fine. I probably won't buy them again though. So I just exported my cover and now I think I'm gonna edit it and then finger crossed post it. Probably gonna enjoy my little scone in the meantime as well. I mean, that's a good combination. I feel like this thing will shock a lot of people, but I like my scone plain, so I don't really add jam or add butter, just eat them this way. The ones from Marks & Spencer are so good. My cover of Locksmith is finally up, so go and check that out if you have not so already. I'm quite hungry, so I think I'm gonna make some pasta with pesto now. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here and chill for the rest of the night, so thank you guys for sticking around, and of course I'll see you guys next time. Bye!